Welcome to On Tilt Trading. I am currently short in Bitcoin. I'll walk you through what I have trading starting here top down. So starting here on the 4-hour chart. I took a position here off the 4-hour chart based off of this area here. You can see this peach square here. This is an order block. And also this area with inside of that, there is a blue rectangle here. This is a fair value gap. If we come in closer, we can see, so these orange lines here, these are dividers for the week. And we can see here that last week, Bitcoin, there is a market structure shift here that delivered price here to the sell side and created this order block and this fair value gap here. Price then delivered to the sell side before consolidating here and then redelivering here back to the buy side, leaving some sell side liquidity resting below this level here for the week, for last week. With that in mind, you can see price deliver back to the buy side into the order block, and when it delivers back into the order block, there's a reaction and price delivers out of the order block to the sell side. If I come over to the 15-minute, we can see my entry here. So while price is trading within the 4-hour order block, here on the 15-minute, this is that price action here inside of the order block, or this area here. This dotted peach line is the same color as the order block. So this is showing the price action within the order block on the 4-hour chart. Then we get this price action here where this candle here closes below this level and this level, which would create a market structure shift to the sell side here on the 15-minute. When that price action was delivered here on the 15-minute, I took an entry right on the candle close. So this candle closed. As soon as this candle closed below these levels here, it only needed to be one of them. As soon as that closed here, I took an entry immediately at the entry on the following candle. And we can see since then price has delivered to the sell side here. And then the second position is based off of the 1-hour chart. In addition to this 4-hour trade, when price action came up into the order block on the 4-hour chart, it's a little difficult to see now because the price action is covered, but here is the high for the New York PM session. At the high of the order block is the high of the New York PM session. The low of the order block is the low of the New York PM session. In addition, this candle here, there's a closure below. Actually, no, there's a failure. So you can see the high is put in here. Then the following candle fails to trade above the high and actually just closes inside of the New York PM session. Then the following candle also closes within the New York session and puts in a new 60-minute low. So when that happened, it also triggered the short sale idea for me. So getting signals to trade short, trading into the 4-hour order block and the 1-hour session failure for the New York PM session. That coupled with the 15-minute market structure shift. So these are the three signals that gave me a short idea and triggered the entry for me here. Then the second position is based off of the 60-minute chart, the 1 hour chart. We'll come here. So what triggered this trade idea is there is this price action that comes in here. So I get an entry here, I believe at the right after the New York here in midnight, New York midnight time. But what happens here is that similar price action that set up the trade off of the 4 hour. There's a market structure shift that comes in here on the 60-minute chart right here. And then when that triggers, price action delivers to the sell side here during the Asian session and then pulls back into the 1 hour order block here on the 1 hour chart. When price pulls back into the order block here, so there's a market structure shift with price action, a 60-minute candle closing below the New York PM low. Again, the New York PM low is right here at the low of this order block, this higher order block. So this candle here closes below and creates the market structure shift on the 1 hour chart. Then you get pulled back here. And then if we come over to the 5-minute chart, we get this price action here. So two confirmations on the 1 hour chart. We get the market structure shift here and then pull back to the 1 hour order block. So these are two things. This area here is equivalent to this area here, where this dotted line being this peach dotted line being the low of the 60-minute order block. We can see price action right here create a market structure shift. See if we can do this a little neater. Here, creating a market structure shift to the sell side right here. Ideally, I would have waited until price pulled back to this level to take an entry, but I decided to take an entry just on the body candle close of the market structure shift level. Took the entry that I did off of the 15-minute. Ideally on the 5-minute, waiting for pullback would be ideal. On the 15-minute, price typically doesn't pull back as often. But with this, you can see this price action right here. Had I waited for pullback and seen this price action, it would have made me a bit uncomfortable, and I might have tried to trade off of this level here. And then you can see after taking the entry, price has delivered to the sell side here, and we're still getting sell side delivery here overall. And then to get a better look at the positions for the 4 hour position here, I'm actually targeting, as I mentioned, this weekly level or weekly liquidity here. So I'm actually, for this weekly trade, I'm targeting the sell side liquidity below last week's low. So for this trade here, so my stop loss is above the high here on this 4 hours, so 89,212.4, entry at 88,555.3, and take profit here at 85.65, targeting that sell side liquidity as I mentioned with the price delivery algorithm. And for this current trade on the 1 hour chart, you can see here my stop is at 88,512.6, so just above the high of that order block. Entry at 88,9.9, and take profit is down here at 85,191.4. And price is currently delivering to the sell side with some speed, and we'll see if price will deliver into my take profit here on the 1 hour chart. As you can see now, price is delivering here to the sell side. If this candle closes, this candle will close as a break of structure here, which would be the second break of structure for the day. There's another break of structure here where price pulled back, but never pulled back to the order block. It pulled back just shy of the order block. You can see here on the 5 minute, this price action right here. So getting continuation coming in here. And we'll let price continue to deliver here and see if where it looks like there will likely be a body candle close below this level. So we'll see here if price will continue to deliver to the sell side to sweep out this sell side liquidity before pulling back here. And we'll see if we get any more speed on delivery here to the sell side. And still some sell side delivery coming in here. Come out to the 15 minute here. And we can see price here consolidating here near the low end of the range that it has just put in here. Less than 8 minutes remaining in the current 60-minute candle. Ideally, I want to see a body candle close below this level here on the 60-minute, and then to see price continue to the sell side to sweep out this sell side liquidity resting below yesterday's low here. If you'd like to know more, visit us at ontilttrading.com. Trade safe.